Hey, I'm completely stoked that we've reached 200 subscribers. Like one day I used to be 70 something subscribers. I'm now at 200. 201 to be exact. Yeah, the one, I see you. Thank you for subscribing. And of course, well, 200 subscribers, there has to be a subscriber special video, don't they? So for my 200 subscriber video, I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. Probably like you've read in the title. Now the box is down there. I'm not picking that up. Oh yeah, you might want to stay tuned for the end too, for a sound test. Oh yeah, and try not to damage the box, because if there's an issue with the product and you need to send it back, you can't exactly send it back with a damaged box, can you? There we go. There it is, guys. The speaker. Should pull it out. Oh. It's got like a plasticky smell to it, but I like it. There you go. So this is what you're going to get inside the box. Hell a lot of plastic and polystyrene, and the speaker itself. You'll get a quick start guide and a AC wall adapter to charge the actual speaker. Fun fact, if the speaker is actually kept on charge while playing, the speaker will be much louder than it already is, opposed to running on battery. I couldn't have it at 100% volume, unfortunately, because if I did that, the microphone would absolutely crackle itself to death. So I kept it at about 10% volume, but even at 10%, damn, you could really feel that bass. I heard that I have cards in the back of the window and they were shaking. So if you decide to get a second party box 1110, you won't regret it. Even with one, you will not regretting buying this speaker. So this is the bass test. So I'll play.